Greetings, fellow vendors. In today's video, have you ever experienced a DEX failure on a Dixie Narco Series 2 machine? If you call Crane, they're going to tell you need a new board. Well, let me tell you what I found out with my board and the fix I did to apply to it, so you can do it yourself. Watch the whole video. Enjoy. Alright, here we have my Dixie Narco Series 2 control board. Did come out of my machine. Yes, this board's about 20 years old, but it's been working great for me for the last 2 or 3 years. When I went to add a credit card reader to it, as you can see there's a crack in the solder joint on the DEX port. Well, because of that crack there, it wasn't making connection, and so the card reader was not able to DEX the data from the board. I called Crane to find out what was going on. They told me that at that point the board has failed and has to be replaced. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tin the tip on my soldering iron, and I'm going to go down here and give some solder to this joint and get that good and reconnected. It looks like it was the ground connection for the DEX port. Forgive the poor view, I'm working on it. Getting that good and soldered. If I had a DEX tester here at my desk, I would absolutely test it. Just giving it a good amount of solder to bridge that connection on that port. This could save you a few $100s if you have to replacing the board, if this is your problem. These boards are very reliable. Clean up the tip. And we'll set that down. I've now got a good locked in connection there. And for more vending related content or DIY repairs, like and subscribe for more. Have a good day. All fixed up, ready to go back in the machine. Now I got a spare board again. Like and follow for more.